Can you make money with ChatGPT? That is the question that I get from many people. And the answer is, yes, you can, but only if you do everything right. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do everything right. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to come here on ChatGPT, and then here you need to type something like this. Give me a list of 20 best niches to make money online, like camping, fishing, outdoors, and so on. And then all you have to do is just press enter, and ChatGPT will give you a list of these niches. And here you can see how that list looks. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to tell ChatGPT, give me a list of 10 best products for each of these niches. For example, photography and camera gear. That is one of the niches that ChatGPT actually suggested us. Now all you have to do is just press enter, and ChatGPT will give you a list of those products. And this is how that list actually looks, as you can see here. So what you need to do next, you actually need to go on a website called Blue Willow, and you need to register for a free account. After that, you will come to their Discord. Now, Blue Willow is exactly the same like Midjourney, but it is 100% free, so you don't have to pay anything. So what you need to do, you need to come on one of these categories, Rookie 5, Rookie 6, Rookie 7, Rookie 8, doesn't really matter. And let's just say, for example, Rookie 5. And just like on Midjourney, what you need to do, you need to press / and then imagine, okay? And here you can see imagine prompt, and then you need to give it a prompt. So I will say something like this: DSLR and mirrorless camera, extreme details. I need extreme details and ultra realistic, so it looks ultra realistic, and all you have to do is just press enter, and then Blue Willow will create that image for you. Now this may take a few minutes, and this is how that actually looks. As you can see, they offered me 4 images, and I chose one image, and this is how that image actually looks. So when I click here, open in browser, this is how it looks. As you can see, it looks amazing, it looks realistic. So all I have to do is just right click here, save image as, and save this image on my desktop, and that's it. I will save this image, and you can simply go back here on ChatGPT and do that for all of these products here. No, so next thing you need to do, you actually need to go here on a website called kit.co, and you need to register for a free account. And here you can create your store totally free. So what you need to do, you need to click here on this plus, and then here you need to give it a name to your kit. So I can simply go back here on ChatGPT and I can copy this, okay? I will simply Ctrl+C, copy this, go back here, and I'm going to paste that here. And here I need to give it a description, so same thing. For this example, I will just paste this. Of course, you will give it a better description and try to include your main keywords in the title and also in the description. Just click here on next, give it a few seconds, and now I need to search for products. So I will simply paste this, and then just click here, and now it will find products. So I'll just say, for example, I wish to use this product here. All I have to do is just click on this plus, and here I need to give it a description, and all I have to do is just click here on add to kit, and I will add this product to my kit.co store. Now, best thing about this is you can actually make money selling these products on Amazon, even if you are not a member of Amazon affiliate program. That is what is the best, but in that case you will need to share your affiliate commission with kit.co. And like I said, all you have to do is just click here on add to kit, and that's it. And you can add as many products as you want. So next thing you need to do, you need to go on Canva, and you need to create a video. That is really important, and you can add these images. You can see here, this is my first slide, this is my second slide, and you can add 5, 10, 20, 50 slides, and try to make these slides up to 2 seconds long, no longer than that. You need these slides to change quickly. So when I go here and when I click here, you can see how this actually looks. And I can also add some transitions. So for example, let's just say I will add this. So now when I go back here, so let me just go back here. And now when I click here on play, you will see how this looks. As you can see, I added transition. And like I said, add 5, 10, 20 images like this, and all you have to do after that, click here on share, and then click here on download, and choose MP4, and then download this video to your desktop. Give it a few seconds for Canva to process this video. Now, next thing you need to do, you need to go on Pinterest, and you need to upload that video that you created in Canva here on Pinterest. Just click here on create, and then simply click here and find the video that you created. So let me just find that video. Okay, this is the video. Give it a second. Now you need to optimize this pin. Now in one of my previous videos, I actually explained to you how to properly optimize your Pinterest pin so you can rank as high as possible on Pinterest, because Pinterest is a search engine. And here you need to add a title, you need to add a description, and here you need to add a link. Now here you need to add a link to your kit.co store, to your kit, okay? And that is really important. And that way you will actually send traffic from Pinterest to your kit.co store, and every time someone actually buys one of these cameras, in this case, you will earn an affiliate commission, Amazon affiliate commission, like I said, even though you are not a member of Amazon affiliate program. And all you have to do after that, you just need to click here on publish. You can't see that because I actually have installed sort pin, but here there is a publish button. Just publish this pin and then just go back here and on Blue Willow and create more images and create more pins, more videos, and upload them on Pinterest, and just start uploading 2 or 3 videos like this on Pinterest every day, and you will start getting targeted free traffic from Pinterest to your kit.co store, and you will start making sales and you will start making money with ChatGPT as a beginner in 2023. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.